Hello and welcome. Just as promised, I'm going to share with you how to make yogurt with milk powder without boiling the milk. You can also check out the boiled milk version here. I'm sure you also love it. So now let's get started. You'll need a full cream milk, yogurt with live culture, mix in the yogurt until well combined. Seal the container tightly and keep in a warm place for 8 to 12 hours so that the yogurt can set properly. I like to seal mine with a tin foil, a poly bag and a warm blanket, and also stir in a warm oven or a food cooler. After 8 to 12 hours, you'll get a rich and creamy yogurt, which you can either dilute or use for any recipe that calls for natural yogurt. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it below, subscribe and click on the bell button for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.